These days, we all need to find new ways to add more revenue, especially during the holiday season. One important way you can do that on your website is creating a banner on your homepage and landing page. Creating a banner is simple and effective and is proven to lead to more sales and cart creations. Here's the step-by-step on how to do it. First, jump into the editor side of the Bookmark website builder. You're going to need to add some code into the header section of your site. But don't worry, we made the process as simple as possible for you. Go to Settings. From there, select SEO and scroll down to the header section. This is where you will enter your header code for the banner. The code is available in the description of this video, as well as on the screen. I'm not going to bother saying it all, but you can see it there, and this is something that you'll be able to copy and paste from the help guide. Once you've entered the code into the header section, you will need to personalize the messaging and link. Find the areas of the code we have labeled for you to change. And enter your message for your banner within the code. Enter the link for your banner within the code. And finally, enter the label for your banner within the code. Select Save Settings at the bottom of the page, and then save and publish your website. And then you're all set. If you follow these easy instructions, you'll be all set and ready to add a banner onto your website. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Happy holidays!